Va yana salom. Biz bitta shorts qo'ydik. Unda bomba 300 marta ko'rildi o'sha shortsimiz. Endi bu safar ham yaxshigina aktiv qilib beringlar. Like va obuna bosganlarga ota-onasiga ming rahmat. Va qani biz Belgiyani oldik va boshladik. Va biz bilan yana Belgiya tushdi. Va biz boshladik. Biz oq komandadamiz. Va ketdi. Ular qarshi hujumga ketmoqda. Biz yo'l qo'ymaymiz. Va biz qarshi hujumga ketib qolamiz. Lakaka. Ye. Kim edi bu? Va biz qarshi hujumga ketmoqdamiz. Va ishtirokku. Va biz yana pas bilan olib chiqib ketmoqdamiz o'yinda. Va vartalarga borib qoldi to'p. Va biz hozir YouTube'imiz ko'rib o'tganimizda bu narsaga guvoh bo'lib qoldik. Hozir 2 daqiqa
Passing the ball really well.
Bu videomiz 31 marta, 63 marta ko'rilib ketmoqda hozir. Biz hozir ko'rib o'tiribmiz. Men hozir gapiryapman ham. 63 marta. Bu bomba degani. Hamma ko'rgan rahmat.
He's read that one absolutely perfectly.
Buni muhtamiz. Shunaqa bomba qilaveringlar, mana shu akamni kuchaytirib beringlar.
Doku, great run.
Hammaga rahmat.
Taking it short.
Ularga o'tib lekin biz o'yinda to'xtamaymiz.
He's taken back possession.
Offside.
Oh, he was a bit too eager there. So he's been pulled back for offside. A lot of missed passes today. They'll have to improve.
Va ketmoqda va zarba va gol!
Oh, a thoroughly deserved lead. He just knew that was coming.
Va hozir bizni kanalimizda yana bir marta 100 marta qo'yilgan video bo'lmoqda.
And this really takes the pressure off the defense. Will it go in? Terrific stop by Courtois.
Juda zo'r natijalar. Ular mugurishladi va biz unumli foydalanib oldik. Nariga ketmoqda.
Will we see more goals in the second half? Now De Bruyne. He got that all wrong. Meunier. He's got the goal in his sights.
Unumli foydalandik va zarba gol! Va hozir bir necha sekundlar ichida bizni yana bitta 123 marta bu bomba natija deyiladi. Bitta videomiz 120 marta, bittasi esa 300 marta. Lekin afsuski obunalar juda ham kam. 5 ta videodan atiga 5 ta qo'shdi. Nima degani? Juda kam-ku. Shuncha ko'rilmoqda videolarimiz.
In control. Is this the moment?
Obunachilar yo'q. Va hozir bitta videomiz 300 martaga yaqinlashmoqda. Lahzalardan keyin
Nice pass.
300 marta ko'ramiz.
They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. An expert tackle.
Bitta videomiz 144 marta.
An accurate pass. He did well to win the ball back.
Hozir 192 va 4 like va bitta kommentariya.
This is Doku. Hooks it forward. The assistant's flagged him offside.
Atın bomba bu.
I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. This team really are controlling the game.
Ve biz yana oyuncu qaytdik.
This is Doku.
Junior hisobda biz yutmoqdamiz.
So this player will come
Bu
on
o'yin
and
qancha
Ewan will
o'zgarishni
take to the pitch.
Bundan keyingi video
Now De Bruyne.
bugun kechqurun yoki ertaga qo'yiladi.
Tielemans.
Zo'r
Nana with the tackle.
zo'rmanglar.
Surely now.
Va.
It's in. Lukaku. Great play. He battled hard and has been
rewarded
with his first goal of the game. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway.
Strong tackle. oldu. Bu biz yana qarshi hujumdamiz. Va
It's
zarba.
opened up. Stunning save there. Not going easy on the opposition today.
Boshlankadan gol!
He's finished
Qanday gol bo'ldi?
great headed goal there. He really got behind that one and gave the goalkeeper absolutely no
Bu
chance.
golni ko'rish kerak lekin. Juda ham ajoyib va ajoyib tarzda gol urilgan.
Now De Bruyne.
Va o'yin yana qaytdik. Bizda yana hujum va shut.
Courtois with the save.
Qolmoqda. Biz yana pressmonterlarga qaytsak, bitta videomiz 161 marta, bittasi esa 296 marta. Va biz yana o'yindamiz.
Is this a
Va
goal?
shut.
Poor attitudes to play.
Qalbim uchuv bek
Ball
hisobida.
is up. The new players
Video-
coming on.
297 marta.
Their opponents
Va
got
shu
one goal.
o'yin
They were powerless.
o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Va